This video will demonstrate how to set the portion controls for the Bonrefresh Tower Sparkling Water Dispenser. The portion sizes are preset from the factory but can be changed. Remove the bracket over the program switch. Set the program switch to the on position. Place a container beneath the dispensing nozzle. Press and hold the large and medium buttons on the left, still water, until you see the blue LED flash 3 times. Press and hold the appropriate dispense switch until the desired amount has been dispensed. The machine will record the amount of time that the button is pressed continuously. If the button is released too soon, simply empty the container and start over. Repeat for each of the dispense switches as desired. Turn the program switch to the off position. Replace the cover over the program switch.